Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old school scale. First, find a flat, stable surface, like a hard floor, to place your scale. Before stepping on, always check that the pointer is resting precisely at the 0 mark. Most traditional scales can accurately measure weights up to 300 pounds, so be mindful of its capacity. This simple setup ensures you get the most accurate starting point for your measurement. Once your scale is set up, it's time to take a measurement. Step onto the center of the scale's platform with both feet. Stand still and keep your gaze straight ahead, avoiding any leaning or shifting of your weight. Allow the needle to settle completely, usually for a few seconds, before you read the final number. This steady approach is crucial for obtaining a precise and reliable weight reading. Reading the dial correctly is key to understanding your weight. You'll notice major increments, often marked in 5-pound or 1-kilogram intervals, with larger numbers. Between these, smaller hash marks typically represent 1-pound or half-kilogram divisions. Carefully observe where the pointer lands. If it's between two numbers, estimate to the nearest smaller increment. For example, if it's halfway between 150 and 151, your weight is 150.5 pounds. To keep your old school scale in top condition and ensure consistent readings, a little care goes a long way. Regularly wipe down the platform with a damp cloth to keep it clean. Avoid dropping heavy objects onto the scale, as this can damage the internal mechanisms. For the most consistent results, try to weigh yourself at the same time each day, perhaps in the morning, to minimize natural fluctuations. This simple maintenance will help your scale last for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.